Why did Mnangagwa deny to continue his third term as president? A question that has puzzled political enthusiasts and casual observers alike. To understand this, we need to delve into the series of events that led to this surprising decision. In the early days of his presidency, Emmerson Mnangagwa, affectionately known as the Crocodile, was a beacon of hope for Zimbabwe. His promises of economic rejuvenation and democratic reforms were like a breath of fresh air. However, as time progressed, the promise of a new dawn began to fade. In the first year of his second term, around 2021, the economic situation took a turn for the worse. Zimbabwe was hit by a financial crisis. The country's currency was devalued, inflation was skyrocketing, and unemployment rates were alarmingly high. The promise of economic revival seemed to be fading into oblivion. During the same period, allegations of human rights abuses started to surface. Accusations of arbitrary arrests, suppression of freedom of speech, and rampant corruption within the government were prevalent. International bodies and human rights organizations began to scrutinize Mnangagwa's administration, and the image of a reformist leader started to crumble. By the second year of his second term, dissatisfaction among the populace was palpable. Protests began to break out across the country, demanding accountability and change. The government's response was heavy-handed, further tarnishing Mnangagwa's image on the global stage. By the time the third-term elections came around, Mnangagwa's popularity was at an all-time low. His reputation as a reformist leader was all but gone, replaced by the image of an autocrat. It was in this climate that Mnangagwa made the surprising decision to deny continuing his third term as president. To summarize, Mnangagwa's denial to continue his third term as president was the culmination of several factors, starting with the economic downturn in the early days of his second term, followed by allegations of human rights abuses and corruption, and finally, the widespread dissatisfaction among the populace. His surprising decision can be seen as an acknowledgement of the disconnect between his promises and the reality of his administration. A stark reminder that in politics, as in life, actions speak louder than words.